What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're already off to a slow start. Man. Alright, let me explain. Guys, does your ride need some Holley in its life? Yeah, I guarantee it probably does. So guess what? Our newest giveaway is live right freaking now. And we got you covered on some Holley EFI. So this is what you get. Your choice of a Holley Terminator X, Terminator X Max, or the X Stealth. Plus, you get the Mac Daddy. That's right. 12.3-inch Holley Pro Dash, all in one package, shipped to your door. All you got to do is go on the foxcast.com/shop, grab anything in the store, t-shirts, hats, keychains, key tags. We even got these badass new Oakley backpacks with all kinds of different logos on them. They're freaking sick, but you got to act now. This lasts only 10 days. Almost $5,000 worth of Holley parts, everything you need to get your Holley EFI'd on your ride. So stop by the website right now. Every $5 spent gets you entered. Don't miss out. All right, boys, so I was ready to start putting everything back together. If you caught the video last week, got all the parts in from LMR. Well, I pulled everything out, was ready to get going. Then I forgot the hump, which, as you can see, is in now and all sealed up with sound deadener. So I had it sitting in the car and I totally forgot about it. This car was an AOD, it's now a 5-speed. And if you know anything about the trans tunnels, there's a difference. The 5-speed is kind of elevated. The manual, or excuse me, the automatic is lower. Well, I forgot to do that. So had the dubious honor of pulling all the carpet back out. Had to get that in there, grind, pull all the sound deadener back, grind, cut, weld. As you can see, it's ready to be a 5-speed now. Carpet is back in it. So I thought I was going to be quite a bit farther along than I am, but I'm not, because of course we had to vacuum the interior out again. But I'm about to get after it, so let's just roll with it. Alright guys, slow progress. Headliner is somewhat in. Package tray is in. I was about to put the third brake light housing in, and it was so faded it was almost white. So I went ahead, took it, cleaned it, dyed it. So we're about to put this thing in. Oh yeah, good as new. I'm telling you guys, this is tedious and time consuming. Tried to keep all my screws together. Luckily I got an LMR screw kit, but the headliner looks amazing. Sorry, it's dark in here. Alright guys, so progress rolling along, and I forgot one very vital part. My door-to-body weather strips. I was sitting there, I was getting the quarter trim in, and getting that all set to go, as you can see, and I was like, I forgot to order door-to-body weather strips. So I pulled them out, and I don't have them. So that's very frustrating. And as you guys know, I can't put this trim on, can't put the screw the quarter trim down, sill plate, nothing until I've got that. So once again, I'm dead in the water. But I do have some other stuff done. Let me show you. So quite possibly one of my least favorite things to do is install sun visors. For some reason, my brain just like glitches out and I can't ever get those holes lined up. Well, she's in there. Sorry, the brightness is terrible in here. We got the light up there. We got the dome light. So we do have some progress. Telling you guys, just when you think you've got everything, something else screws up. Well, boys, here we are again. Just getting everything plugged up, about to put the console in. Yeah. Crumbled. Just, you know, my goal was to have this interior essentially done. And just every time I turn around, something breaks. So now I'm gonna go hunt for another HVAC control head. All right, looks like this one's gonna work. Everything appears to be in one piece. So I'll get this thing unplugged and we should be good to go. All right, boys, she's out. She's in really good shape. So, and I got a little extra hardware here too. All right, let's try this again. All right, boys, for the 43rd time today, I'm headed back to the graveyard. This time for the plugs for the armrest. I thought I pulled them. I even thought I dyed them, but I don't find them. I can't find them anywhere, so we're heading back. I hope you guys are enjoying this little taste. Video editing can make things look a lot easier and faster than they are, so I'm just taking you along essentially what my day looks like trying to build these cars. All right, let me find the plug. Aha, there they are. Whew. All right, now let's get back in here, clean these up, dry them, let them sit in the sun, hit them with some dye, and that part will be done. All right, boys, I am calling it for today. And unfortunately, it don't look like I got much of anything done. You see the console is in, which is a great thing. Lower shift boot in, cup holder in. My lid did not show up, so I'm waiting on the lid. But my goal was have all this interior built, and as you can see, that's pretty much how it always goes. Lots of progress, but for the amount of time I spent, I don't feel like I got a lot done. But I will have the door to bodies this week, and like I said, once I get the door to bodies in, I can do the scuff plates, I can do the quarter trims, do the pillars, scuff plates, kick panels, and finally the door panels. What a process. Alright, boys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. Long process. Like I said, guys, I usually don't film this stuff because it's not worth watching, but I just wanted, especially my premium subscribers who are ready for me to give this car away. I'm working harder than an ugly stripper for you. So have faith in your boy. It's gonna be right. It's gonna be done soon. I gotta get back to work. But guys, I appreciate you watching this video. Big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We'll catch you on the next one.